That's funny. So I don't even know how to do that. Let's see. Don't matter either way. I ain't gonna be a floating head today. That's a good video. Too bad it's banned. What's it bringing up all this bullshit? What up, Poppin' C's? Good to see you. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing good today. Y'all know I'm late as fuck tonight, but we still gonna do something. Hell, we don't sit here and kick it and do something. Shout out to one of my favorite beats by the big homie. I was gonna listen to some bullshit, but hell, he the first thing that came up that made
Yeah, I've
sense.
been taking care of this
And
field for 20 years.
no wonder why this shit
And for
don't look
20
right.
years, I've asked myself the same question. Why do the field...
I'm sorry. I forgot. I'm on the other profile. Uh-oh, that don't sound right. We gotta close all that shit down. Why did it pull up that one's music? What up, Lisa J? Hopefully you're doing good, smoking good. Well, hopefully them stocks is smoking good. You probably don't smoke too much tree unless it's on your after hours, and you don't want too many people to know about after hours, cause hell, that ain't their business. Yeah, she be on them stocks, so y'all know to go check out Lisa J. I appreciate her spending some time with you, boy. I ain't finna be on some bullshit for those who didn't know tonight, cause I don't come on late and then be expected to have a decent ran show. Nah, that don't work that way. Let's go up here. Yeah, I ain't finna do nothing but smoke, chill, and listen to some music. I ain't doing no videos tonight. I was gonna do some videos, but people done fucked up my time frame for today to where now I'm like way behind schedule instead of a little bit behind schedule. But you know how it be. It's tax time, baby. Hustle Mania 2025. Y'all make sure y'all get y'all taxes in before Trump shuts down that part of the federal government too. We ain't got no IR or no S. Let's see. Why isn't this thing? I thought I clicked the button like 3 minutes ago, but it's cool. We on switch accounts. Shout out to the Team Deepwater Cultivating channel. Y'all know the Cultivating channel been putting in that work. I probably headed up to post a video over there because we did a video over there, 10 plants for your business. If you don't know what plants will increase the vibe of your business and have likely potential to get you some extra money just because having a plant, yeah, you don't know what you're doing. Hit up your boy. We got that video up today. It's a short one featuring the big homie at DJ Is. We just gonna listen to his shit anyways. Y'all know how we do. We gonna put something on the screen, make a copyrighted video. Shout out to the copyrighted videos.